Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my another video. In this video, how to fade the border of a picture in Photoshop. I applying two step. Step 1, select the image. I already insert this image, then resize, effects, click stroke, select stroke color. Now click OK. Then right click, convert to smart object. Again right click, rasterize layer. Magic wand tool, select the border, then press Ctrl J, duplicate layer, click Apex, gradient overlay, select gradient color, double click and select the background color and already selected white color. Then click OK. See this, drag and draw, scale, change the style, reflect it, see this shows many options, diamond, I use liner. Now we can see this faded the border. Click OK. And step 2, apply the same way. Magic wand, then click the eraser tool and opacity 32. Right click, click the hardness without hardness. Then click and drag on your mouse. Then remove the color, red color. Change the color. Select any color, then press Alt backspace and again remove the color. Press Ctrl S, Ctrl D. Now we can see this fade the border. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.